Fantastic. Superb triangle scribble thing. Turn sideways. My name, intro. Hey there, tadpoles, Beanie Gunso here playing Foster's Home for Imaginary Friends Myth Flight Snack. So I'm gonna click play. Here's hoping this one's a whole lot better than Jump and Grind. That one was gay.
Come on, Eduardo. You can do it. That's the Eduardo I know and love.
Okay.
Nice move, Blue.
Eduardo called.
Good catch. Here we go.
Ooh, gimme.
Yes.
Lovely. Mira, I am like a little bird.
Well, this game is better.
Rhea,
That's not saying much. The Jump and Grind was just jumping fucking terrible. Ugh, so awful. What was I thinking playing that? I don't know. But I definitely know I'm enjoying this, so that's good. Congratulations, Beanie Gunso. You have found the true meaning of Cartoon Network games. Some are fun, some are awful. And that's just how it goes. Though they're getting way better with their games, they're treating them actual, like, games. Like the Fellowship of the Things. Fully functional RPG. Takes about an hour to do, or longer, because you can keep on going. I'm not even getting any snacks anymore. Your rating? Sugar Rush. Alright, let's do another round, since I actually know what to do now. Okay.
You can do it.
Delicious. Getting all the energy I need to succeed.
Come on, Eduardo. You can do it.
Whoopsie daisy.
Awesome. This is awesome.
There we go, I'm doing it. Getting the hang of it.
Here we
I see now. Huh, I got a star. That's good. That's great. Congratulations to me being a Gunso. For being the Gunso Beanic of the things that I am. So you're gonna keep on going and get all the things that I need. Nice, good. And so to get that stuff, I didn't get it, so I'm gonna get that stuff and I got it. Okay. So you see where I'm coming from now, right, guys? Yeah, you do. You do. Good. Because if you didn't, that would be something. But now it's something else or another. Things. Yeah. Oh, I got that store again. Alright, starting to drain faster and faster now. You guys see that? It's like, you know, it's kind of like a arcade style, but not really. Anyway, well, actually, it's true. It is arcade style.
Here we go. Eduardo.
Yes.
Up and away.
Nice.
Mira, I am like a little bird.
Yay. Awesome.
Delicioso.
Ooh, 4 hits.
Booyah.
I didn't get any. Yeah, but I got some there. Not timing my jumps anymore.
This is awesome.
There we go.
Whoopsie daisy.
Get the star. Our turn.
What the heck? I missed everything.
Eduardo called.
Here we go.
And I did it now.
Whoopsie daisy.
Good for me.
Lovely.
There we go. And good.
Nice.
Alright.
Awesome.
Delicioso.
My rating was yummy. Well, that was Mid-Flight Snack. If you enjoyed it, well, you should get yourself a snack during midnight. Okay, I'll catch you at Tadpost later. Peace.